Jesus is everything to me.
You're my everything. You mean the world to me. You gave me everything. Jesus. You're my everything. You mean the world to me. You gave me everything. Jesus. Everlasting, almighty, sovereign ruler of the universe. Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end of us. Spent so much of my life chasing out the images. Never produced anything, rotten roots rebellious. But you saved a wretch like me, even when I didn't want nothing to do with your son. Thought I had the answers for all the lies, problems with the smoking weed and watching porn. Lusting at the female flesh, trying to feel a gaping void. Standing in the echo chamber, couldn't hear you through the noise. Took my life on death door, took me deep down to my core. All you wanted was my love, worship you, surrender all. American idols, that's the dream of being way above all the competition, just to boast and just how great I was. Never giving you the glory, you're the one who made it here. Gave me every single talent and I buried it in fear. Now I gotta praise your name because you showed me all the real. You're my everything.